Hey guys, this is Praveen here. In this today's video, we're gonna see about a linked list problem. Whether there is a cycle in a linked list or not, that is the problem. This problem is also in Leetcode. Okay, let's start with the question. Yes, a given head, the head of the linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. There is a cycle means in the sense there is no end at all. It will go on like that. You will be understandable when you see an example. So we return true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise we return false. Let's start with the example 1. I have a example 1, and as the situation is like having a cycle, like here you can see what is a cycle means. There is no end in the linked list. So it starts with head. What we gonna do is something like we use two pointers, like first pointer will be called as slow and second pointer will be called as fast. What's the difference between these two pointers is something like slow will point slow will go one step at a time, and whereas the fast is goes two steps at a time. And this is what means when they are colliding, then there is a cycle. If they are not colliding till the end, there will be no cycle. This is the algorithm that we're gonna see now. So let's start. Slow goes one pointer and one step, and fast goes two step. So now the slow will be in 9 and the fast will be in 3. So it goes on. Now the slow will be in 7 and fast will be in 2. Yeah, it goes on, and it goes on like this. Now we can see there is difference as one step. So at the next pointer, at the next step, it will collide like this. So now those pointers are in the same node. So then there is a cycle in the linked list. So hence we return true. So hope you understand. Let's see another example where there is no cycle at all. Like if there is no cycle, there will be a tail, the tail of the node, which is 3 here. And when we reach none, then there is no cycle at all. Okay. So we start with two pointers, as we said already. Slow will go one step at a time, and fast will go two step at a time. When we reach this position like this, fast cannot go, because fast will go two step at a time. There is only one step left, like 3 only left. There is no the second step. There is. So the loop will break, the while loop will break, because fast have no path, the path is none. So there is no cycle, we return false. So let's see the code, that how will it work. So I am in the Leetcode page. The problem's number is 141, as you can see, and it's a problem. So let's have the base case, like if the head is none, then we must return false. There will be no cycle at all. So we return false. Okay. Then we just set a pointers, like a slow comma sorry fast equal to, both are pointing at head. Okay, so head comma head, and then we start with the while loop. Okay, while fast and fast dot next. Okay, this means that the fast is not none, or fast dot next is not none. Till that the loop will work, or else it will break and return false. And that's the idea behind this. Then we start moving. Actually, first slow will go one step at a time, so slow dot next, and fast will go two step at a time, fast equal to fast dot next. So we will check like if slow is equal to fast, then we return true. This is the yeah this means there is a cycle in the list if it is equal. Why we are giving the if class in here, why we are not giving at the first? Because we are starting at the head, both are starting at head, so it will be wrong. Both are starting at head, so it will return true all the time. So we are giving the if statement after these two statements. Okay, if the loop breaks, or then something like we return false. Yeah, so let me give a quick review. If the head is none, we return false, and we are pointing two pointers like a slow and fast. Slow will go one step at a time, and fast will go two step at a time. There you can see, and we are both pointing at head initially, and we are checking fast and fast dot next is not none, so the while loop will run, and we are giving these steps to make it move, and we are checking if slow is equal to none, and we return true. If the loop breaks, it will return false. So let's run it. Yeah, it's accepted. There is a cycle in this list. Okay, so let's submit it. Yeah, it's accepted. So thank you for listening, guys. Hope it will help. Hope you understand. If you need more explanation in this video, comment below. Yeah, thank you for watching.